Hello my friends! In this short video I'm gonna show you how I turned my 90s old bathroom into a modern and bright one. Hope you enjoy the video. This is how my bathroom used to look like. I really hated it. It was an old bathroom with wear and tear that I was using it for more than 30 years and I really wanted to change it. An old bathtub, an old water heater, everything was so old and ugly. I really wanted to explode everything. I really wanted to put a bomb and explode everything. And finally, I did explode everything. This was the very beginning of my new bathroom. After some days, my bathroom looked like this. And a few days after, it looked like this. And after all this work, we put the pressed cement. And after a month, this is finally my new bathroom. I hope you like it.